the bright young star of Batman Forever and Scent of a Woman, Chris O'Donnell.
70 years ago, Warner Brothers started a revolution in entertainment. They made a movie picture that actually talked. It was The Jazz Singer, and it starred the legendary Al Jolson. After singing one song, Jolson spoke the line that became the legend, "You ain't heard nothing yet." Jolson's words were truer than he realized. From those first scratchy soundtracks to all the films nominated for this year's awards, our engineers have improved sound to a point where you can hear everything in today's movies. For Best Achievement in Sound, the nominees are Walter Murch, Mark Berger, David Parker, and Chris Newman for The English Patient. Andy Nelson, Anna Belmer, and Ken Weston for Evita. Chris Carpenter, Bill W. Benton, Bob Beamer, and Jeff Wexler for Independence Day. Kevin O'Connell, Greg P. Russell, and Keith A. Wester for The Rock. Steve Maslow, Greg Landaker, Kevin O'Connell, and Jeffrey Patterson for Twister. And the Oscar goes to Walter Murch, Mark Berger, David Parker, and Chris Newman for The English Patient.
Thank you to everyone at the Saul Zaentz Film Center for their technical and artistic support. Thank you to Pat Jackson for great sound effects. Thank you to Saul Zaentz and Anthony Minghella, a collaborative and compassionate director. Thank you to my wife, Aggie. Thank you.
I'd also like to thank our scintillatingly effervescent sound editor, Pat Jackson, and my wife, Susan, and particularly the Academy for honoring a film that could be as exciting and engaging in its quiet moments as in its loud ones. Thanks for listening.
Thanks to the Academy, Saul and Anthony, everyone who worked on the sound of the film, and to Stephanie, Amanda, and Molly. Thank you very much.